Hello, my dear students. Here we go again. Today we are going to study the first conditional on the English fourth semester with the book Horizons by Cambridge Editions. Okay? We are going to work on page 31. On page 31, we are going to study the first conditional. First conditional is two sentences. One sentence is the clause condition, and the second sentence is the consequence of this first condition. Okay? In the first sentence, we write a sentence in present, and in the second sentence, we write a sentence in future will. Okay? For example, we have these two first conditionals. If you study, this is the first sentence. It is in present. You will pass is the consequence. The consequence is in future. If I do homework, I won't have any problem. It's another condition, okay? In your book, we have the grammar number 3, okay? And we have these first conditionals. If you work hard, is in present, is the condition, is the first sentence, you will get good grades. It's the same. If you study, you will pass. If you work hard, you will get good grades, good qualification, as we say in Spanish, okay? If we are organized, we won't lose our project notes. So the idea is that we must be organized. 2, we won't lose our project notes, okay? If you are talented, you might win the singing competition. In this case, it's not will, but might. As you remember, might means podría in Spanish, okay? It's another modal verb. If you are caring, you may want to become a nurse. The same thing, may, it means quizás, probably, okay? It's high chance. If she wants to go to university, she should study hard. So we have the use of will, might, may, and should, the modal verbs. That's why we construct the first conditional, okay? If he is determined, he will think of a solution. Match the sentences halves in the exercise A, okay? If he goes to Hollywood, he might see some famous actors. Yes, because only in Hollywood you can see famous actors. If he goes to Hollywood, he might see some famous actors, okay? If they are creative, they understand people in France. They may win first prize in the graphic design competition, okay? So it is a competition. It is a graphic design. So who is going to win the first prize? Only the creative person. So I say, if they are creative, they may win first prize in graphic design competition. So the number 2 is matched with the letter D. Number 3, if we join a club, what's the answer in the number 3? Well, it is E. If we join a club, we probably make some new friends. Yes, because in a club there are a lot of people and we may meet new friends. So the answer in number 3 is letter E. Number 4, if I work hard, I'll probably pass the test. Okay, yes. If I work hard, if I study hard, I will probably pass the test. I will probably pass the examination, all right? Number 5, if she gets a job, she'll be able to save money for university. That's right. If she works, if she gets a job, she will earn money. And if she earns money, she will probably save money for the university. Okay? So she probably will continue studying. So the number 5, the answer is the letter A. And in number 6, if you learn French, you understand people in French. Of course, if you go to France, and I hope you will go to France someday, you will need to learn French. If you learn French, you will understand people in France. Okay? So look at the sentences and use our information, okay? Make a phrase with 2 sentences. In first conditional, you can use future will, the modal verbs should, may, might, or would, okay? Number 4, activity, speaking. Of course, you cannot do speaking because you are not in the classroom, so you cannot interact with another classmates. We are in quarantine, unfortunately, because of the coronavirus, so we cannot do the speaking in class. But my advice is that you listen to some songs, especially Chicago. If You Leave Me Now. This song is very useful. If you leave me now, that's the condition, you'll take away the very part of me. If you leave me now, I will suffer. So listen, Chicago, if you leave me now. See you next time, my dear students. Bye.